Some homes are just houses, and then there are those that move you. Welcome to 3958 La Cresta Drive in Point Loma Heights. This is one of those homes. Perched above San Diego with sweeping views of the bay and city skyline, this mid-century masterpiece was designed with intention. Every angle, every beam, every fireplace placed exactly where it needed to be. Crafted by master architect and Frank Lloyd Wright protege, Sim Bruce Richards, this home carries a legacy as rare as its views. Step inside and you're immediately wrapped in warmth. Cedar-lined walls, open beam ceilings, new oak hardwood floors stretch beneath your feet, and light pours in from every angle, a reminder that Richards designed the home to breathe. The gourmet kitchen is built for people who actually cook. Viking Pro appliances, a Sub-Zero refrigerator, quartz countertops, and European birch cabinetry, beautiful and functional in equal measure. But the real magic? It's outside. A full outdoor kitchen with a barbecue, pizza oven, flat grill, gas burner, and warming trays. A pool and spa surrounded by lush lava stone tropical gardens, a cascading waterfall, a gazebo, multiple seating areas designed for the way people actually live and entertain. Open the French doors and let the ocean breeze in, or close them and let the world disappear. The primary suite opens to a spacious private deck with panoramic views that remind you exactly why you chose San Diego. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, there's room for everyone and everything. Six dedicated parking spots, including a 2-car garage and 2 additional covered spots, plus alley and street parking. Minutes from the ocean, the bay, and downtown San Diego, yet a world apart. This isn't just a home. It's a place where architecture and nature found each other and never let go.